Hi, I'm Tatiana Sarmiento, family nurse practitioner, owner of Rejuvenation Family Practice in Florida. I am an Empire Medical Training faculty member for over 5 years. I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why you should take a fast-track training with Empire Medical Training. Reason 1, a small group training will give you one-on-one experience and you will get more knowledge. Not only that you will be in a practice like mine all day, you will be able to see another colleagues practicing with you and learning from them too. Reason number 2, you get more products. That way you can use more areas to inject the patients. Reason 3, get information from us how we did it. And we will guide you correctly how to start the practice, where to get the medication that you need to start up in the right path. You can visit our website at empiremedicaltraining.com or call us today.